everyone, welcome back to another video. In this episode we're going to be working on this Jeep Patriot. It's a 2011, it has the Mercedes w204 engine, so it's a 2.2 litre, and we're having some issues with it. And the issues that we're having is I'll put it here on the screen, is the code P2074, which is basically a miscorrelation between map sensor and the TPS. And what we're going to attempt to do before changing anything on it is we're going to get the map sensor out, we're going to clean it, and we're going to, if you come closer, we got another sensor. Don't know if I'm going to need the light. That sensor that you can see here, if I'm not mistaken, this is a what's it called, a boost pressure sensor. So what we're going to do is take them out. As I said, we're going to clean them, and then we're going to go for a run, and hopefully we can do a regen on it. The issue with this car at the minute is that because my girlfriend is not driving far away with it, the EGR is getting clocked, so it's giving me that sensor. It's telling me sometimes that the throttle position body as well is reading wrong, or is fully open, or is not open when it has to. So before we change any of that, we're going to clean them, as I said, and we're going to go for a run. All right, so what we need to do is first of all remove it, which it has 2 T20 screws, 220 torques, as you say. So we're going to remove both of them, and we're going to get it out. So this is our map sensor, and what we're going to do is clean this here. We're going to clean this nozzle. We might try to spray something in there just to see if it helps, and we're going to go back to the other sensor that I mentioned before, and we're going to do the same thing. All right, now that we got both sensors clean, we're going to put it back on. I got some DPF cleaner, so I'm probably going to drop that in as well and see what happens. We just went for a test drive. We forced a regen. The exhaust started smoking after what, 10 minutes of holding the revs. So much so that we stopped and came here because there was smoke everywhere. I mean, we still got oil, we still got coolant, belts are where it should be, so there shouldn't be any worries about that. I think we did actually manage to force the regen, so what we're going to do is clear the coats, because they came back, so the car went into limp mode. We're going to clear the coats and go back home, and hopefully on the way back home the car behaves as it should, and it doesn't bring the coats back on. If they do, well, I suppose then we're going to have to start changing sensors and see which one is what, and which one is the one that we need. So that's what we are at the minute. I'll catch up with you in a second. Well, I don't want to claim victory yet, but she's working fine. No lights. She's pulling as she should. Yeah. We've done this a few times now. The temperatures are good. People are novice driving in the middle of the fucking road. But she's pulling like she should. We got no lights, no temperature's good, oil is good. So brakes are shit, well, you know. Yeah, it seems like she is actually sorted for now, at least. I think all it needed was actually just that, to do a regen. We forced her, smell like shit, but to be honest, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with just a easy fix. So I know this one has been a quick one. This one was just a quick video just to try to hopefully sort my girlfriend's car out, which it seems like we have. If it comes back, I'll make another video replacing it, and then we go from there. But yeah, I think this is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoy. I hope it helped you as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking if you do, and I shall see you very shortly. Bye. Quick update on the Jeep. A few hours later and a few key cycles after, the light actually came back on. So I did scan it and it came back with the same code, P2074, which is the map sensor miscorrelation with the throttle body. I don't know if I mentioned it before, and if not, I put a screenshot here. When I went for a regen, when I tried to cause a regen, what happened is that the car went into lead mode, so he gave me oxygen sensor open circuit, and the other one was the DPF was basically blocked. So what I had to do was I just stop in a lay-by, hold the reps for around 10 minutes and 2,500 RPM. My knee was fucking killing me at the end, but you know, it did work, because then after that I managed to clear the codes, take it for a spin, and it just got rid of everything. The only thing that came back, as I said, is this map sensor. So I got the sensor here, just in case you want the part number, and I'm just going to replace it, and that should cure all our faults, or at least this fault anyway. So yeah, I'm just going to replace it, clean the code, and that's going to be it. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you very shortly.